Okay, I got some air conditioners to show you. Back here, around my place where I go to see occupational therapy, I've got some air conditioners to look at. Here's a carrier, and the fan blades are getting blown by the wind because it's so windy today. Watch them go. And then here's the compressor. It's down there. It doesn't say what brand. I'm sure it's like, I don't know, maybe LG or something. Carrier. Watch those fan blades go. Then here's the control box. Yep, there's that one, and then there's a teensy weensy little one right here. It's so little. I mean, it only comes up to a little taller than my waist, and I'm like 4'8" tall. And this fan blades aren't spinning. It's another carrier. It's a carrier too. And then, yeah, and then the model number. Here's the model number for this one. Then we got a big fat one here. It's another carrier. And the fan blades are cool on this one. Yep, it has a different kind. Here's the compressor. Yeah. Big fat one. It's another carrier. And here's the model number for this one. I like those fan blades. And then here we got a Lennox. And then here, I guess this has cool fan blades too. Down there you can see the compressor. Lennox. Then we got another big fat carrier right here. Oh, that nameplate isn't centered. There's the fan blades in here and compressor. Then we come around here. There's more carriers, and we get to see one running. Here's an older carrier. Fan blades right here. There's a compressor in there. And we got another carrier right here, and there you can see the compressor in there. Then I can't believe this, but this one's running.
Hot air.
Yeah, so that means it's in air conditioner mode right now.
Yeah.
Do not know why. The compressor sounds like it's having a hard time though.
That's the only one that's running?
Yep. Carrier. Okay. Then over here we got two Trane. Right here in this other building. These fan blades are spinning a little bit because of the wind.
High
efficiency. And then there's a compressor in there. And I like these fins right here. And then we have this one. Cute little fan in there.
Yeah, but those wires are just sticking out the top.
Ours has that too.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, that was a quick little air conditioner video of all the air conditioners I know of at the place where I go to see therapy. Have a nice day.